In this tutorial, we will go over TradeUI's news section. So whenever you click on TradeUI and you have your tabs on the left side, you want to select News. And this window will pop up here. What this does, it filters out the news that comes in the trading day based on different factors. First, it'll show the timestamp that the news article came out. Then it'll give our TradeUI artificial intelligence sentiment on whether it's neutral, bullish, or bearish. It'll show the headline of the article, and in purple, it'll show the stock tickers associated with the article. You'll also see the author as well as the source. In this case, this comes from Bazinga Pro. So what you can also do is you can filter the news by actual symbols. So say you want to see all the news coming in for Amazon. So we type in Amazon's ticker, and it'll show all of the headlines that came in on this trading day for Amazon, or actually this date associated here. You can change the date by clicking right here. And today's we're going to use 7/14/2023. So we'll click on today. So it shows 4 articles that are associated with Amazon stock. As you can see, we have one that indicates bullish, have one that indicates bearish, and 2 that indicate neutral. So if you click on the actual headline, it'll bring you to Bazinga Pro's headline on the actual stock itself. If you want to, you can also search for keywords. So if a bank upgrades a stock, you can type upgrade, and it'll show you everything that's associated with an upgrade today. For example, BI Baird upgrades Albany Intel to outperform and raises its price target to 120. So you could look for upgrade, you could look for raise, and you can see everybody who's raising their price targets. You could see who beat earnings, so you can go beat, and it will show you Delta Airlines analysts boost their forecasts after upbeat Q2 earnings. As you see, this is a bullish news article, which means Delta Airlines probably ran off this article. And you can see earnings reports that happen. So you have STT, they beat their estimates. And you can also see where they actually missed. So now it pulls up all the articles that missed. So in this case, STT again, they missed their sales, but they beat the EPS. So this is an awesome tool that you can use in real time to determine whether you want to get in on a position. To try this out for yourself, go ahead and sign up for TradeUI. That way you can use this tool correctly.